It's been a week now since I started hearing weird noises on our roof. I could hear what sounded like footsteps the first few nights, going back and forth across the whole roof. The steps were heavy, but also slow and paced. There was no doubt they were human. On the following nights, I could hear the footsteps followed by a dragging sound. The dragging was continuous, and something big and heavy. The footsteps had gotten heavier and slower. I'm the only one that can hear the footsteps. I haven't heard them tonight, but now I'm wondering if that dark red puddle growing in the middle of my bedroom has something to do with it.